Good afternoon viewers, welcome back again to this channel. Yes, we are inside the wuling almaz, and in this video, as you guys can see in front of me, there's a please check engine that we have to sort out. So last time we did install the front catless downpipe onto this car. Everything went smoothly without any issue. After driving about 500 k's, this check engine light decided to come up. So I went back to the dealership and get it scanned, and the fault codes that the computer reads is the downstream oxygen sensor, which is the number 2 oxygen sensor placed after the cat. It's reading too much airflow, which the car cannot take. Unfortunately, there's no program to remap this car as yet. So in this video, we are trying to track the ECU by installing a spacer kit for the oxygen sensor. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the next day and I've gone to the dealership to get the error message erased. Hopefully within a week I'm going to update you guys again how this spacer perform. Hopefully, fingers crossed, there's no more error message within this car. Okay guys, so if you guys look at the odometer right here, I have driven about 200 kilometers, and I'm happy to tell you the error codes is no longer appearing to this car, and hopefully it will stay off forever. And yeah, I can tell you that this little mod, simple mod, actually works on this car. Sweet. And that is a wrap for today's video. I hope you find this video useful, and thank you again for watching to this channel. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you again on the next video. Peace.